Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another video using the Kylie and Jordyn collab from Kylie Cosmetics. If you guys didn't see already, I did review the entire collection, so I will have that link down below, and I absolutely loved it. So I had to figure out how I was going to use this collection again for another video. I'm going to be recreating the Kylie Cosmetics picture of Kylie Jenner wearing the collection. So the look I will put right here. So this is it, and a lot of you guys probably saw it on Instagram. So I'm just going to try and recreate the look because this collection was just too pretty to not use it again. So let's get started. In the description or in the caption for this photo, it says like all the different shades and stuff that Kylie's wearing on her eyes. I already did all of my face makeup because I just wanted this video to focus on the eyes, and I didn't put my highlighter because I want to use the highlighter from this collection. So I'm going to try and use this caption to create the eye look just so that I can get all the colors and everything to look as close as possible because we are trying to recreate the look. I'm going to just start out by using the shade Wife Life with a blending brush and add that into my crease. My brush is still purple from my review of this collection, so I'm not applying purple eyeshadow. That says that the shade Sister, which is right here, was applied into the crease, so I'm just going to do the same. And this look is like pretty light, but Kylie definitely has this shade brought up very close to her brow bone. Like a very thin line between the eyeshadow and her brow bone. It doesn't even look like she has too much of a highlight on her brow bone. We're just going to try and leave kind of like that little space right there because that's what Kylie has. The shade is brought up pretty high on the inner corner. Obviously don't make yourself look like too dark on your eye, but just lightly bring that because she's kind of on an angle, so part of that is probably just the lighting, but there definitely is this same color shadow right on the inner part here. And it's also slightly brought out. So now that that is done, I'm going to apply the shade Loyal, which is this nice gold color, and I'm going to apply that all over my lids. And this is like the main part of the eye look, and this color is definitely very packed on and pigmented in the photo, so that's what we're going to try and go for. Now I'm going to go back into the shade Sister, very lightly, barely tap my brush into that color, and just lightly apply that to the outer corner of my eye to soften that because on Kylie's makeup this part looks super soft. I'm going to go into the shade Sister with a different brush and apply that lightly to my lower lash line just to, I don't know, I feel like applying lower lash line colors kind of helps to make the look more complete. So for the liner, I'm going to use some concealer on this really small pointed brush and create the wing. Kylie's wing is super, super thin. I feel like applying some concealer will just help make it more pigmented. And notice that I'm keeping it super thin towards the inner corners because Kylie has really no liner there. Now that my liner is drawn with this concealer, I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to go into this purple line right over top. You can even spray your brush a little bit just to kind of wet the eyeshadow, and that will also help make it more pigmented. So now that I applied the liner to both eyes, I'm going to apply some mascara. So I don't think in this photo that Kylie has any like glue on eyelashes. She might have extensions, but that's it. So I'm just going to curl my lashes because if I apply falsies, it's going to cover up the purple liner. So I'm just going to curl them and apply mascara. I'm just curling them until they get super curled like Kylie's. I'm going to go into the Kylie and Jordyn highlighting palette, right into the shade No New Friends and Best Life, and applying that as my highlight. Now I'm going to do my lips, so I'm using the shade 23, which is the gold lip gloss. So this is the finished look. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video, and be sure to also go check out the review that I did on the whole Kylie collection. I also did a tutorial in that video for the collection, so definitely go check that out. I will link them down below, and you guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description along with this whole collection. I will leave a link to Kylie Cosmetics in the description down below. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!